Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change system navigation on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to do it, just go to the settings, then go to display and scroll down to navigation bar. It's here. Now you can set it to buttons or gestures. Here are the buttons. If you have the buttons, you can also click on more options and change the button order. I would suggest the first one for right-handed people and the second one for left-handed, but it's just up to you. But I just suggest that because for right-handed people this one will be more accessible, because this button is closer to the thumb, so it's easier to use, and this button, which is the back button, is way more often used than the recent button. So now I'm gonna also set to swipe gestures, and I'm gonna sort of explain them. You can also change the gesture sensitivity, and as you might have noticed, as I was going back within an app, I was just sliding from the left or from the right side, and it just goes back to the previous page like that. This sliding this bar up quickly will go to home screen, and when you, instead of swiping it quickly, swipe up a bit and hold, then it'll open this recents. So here are all of your apps that have been recently used. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.